No is the answer to that. You can sell any number of products and any number of products under your one business name in Australia, okay? And then as soon as Amazon Australia launches what's called brand registry, then you can sell any number of brands through your one business name, your one Amazon account. So in America, there's brand registry. It's also in the UK as well, a few other countries too. And that gives you the opportunity to sell multiple different products. So this one, for instance, this brand name here is Strider. That's the brand name. They've got brand registry for that product. But the business name is NetRush, which I've now given away his business and he'll hate me for that. But there it is. So the business name, NetRush. So for you, for instance, too, it could be Tuvo's International Trading Company. You know what I mean? Whatever it may be. And then you have your brand names on Amazon. Once brand registry arrives in Australia, you'd have them under that. Strider, for instance, or any number of other ones. So if we click through onto Strider's, this is their brand registry page. Look, it's very, very cool. Awesome foursome. That's their page on Amazon. But that brand is being sold by NetRush. All right, so that's how that works. All right, so it's a very, very different thing. Get your head around that. One Amazon account, that's all you can have. One. They don't give you any more, but they give you the flexibility to sell in any category, any product within reason, of course. And once brand registry launches, you can have multiple brand names, because that's what they want you to do. Multiple brand names all through your same account, all right? And that's what Amazon wants you to do. They're really pushing forward with that. So two, I hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.